And so this video begins at Walt Disney World, a place I haven't been in quite some time. Not intentionally, I've just been busy. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome if it's your first time. I am Tampa J, and I have been a Walt Disney World pass holder for the past 4 years. Actually, next month I will be renewing my pass for the 4th consecutive time. However, it's been a while since I've been on Walt Disney World property. Not intentionally, just been busy, been doing other things. There hasn't been a whole lot here new to Walt Disney World that I've been interested in. However, I do have a heart for Walt Disney World, this place. The last 4 years I've made a lot of memories with friends and made a lot of videos. If you've been watching for a long time, Walt Disney World is a thing here on this channel. Theme parks in general also. But Epcot has just opened, well, not officially, but the past couple weeks, the Cosmic Rewind, the Guardians of the Galaxy ride, has been open to pass holders. And I actually gave up my pass holder preview because I was out of town, again, doing other things that I wanted to do. But this weekend, I thought I'd come out here and chance it and see if I could go over to the Cosmic Rewind and possibly ride it. Hang out, see if they'll let me in, because technically it doesn't open until May 27th, next Friday. So I am going to take a chance today. If I do not succeed, I still get to enjoy Epcot here at Walt Disney World and have a good time. Maybe I'll park hop, I don't know, maybe I'll go around World Showcase, but the ultimate goal today is try to ride the Guardians of the Galaxy ride, Cosmic Rewind, and if not, just have a good time. And thank you for coming with me. I decided to fire up the camera and take you with me. I always enjoy you coming along with me, so thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. Know you're awesome, know you're loved, and know there's much ahead. All right, let's scan this bad boy and get inside. Oh wow, things are backing up over there. Wow, look at the line to get into Epcot right now. I better get in it. It's 10 a.m. and I'm sleeping. Oh, here comes the monorail. Oh, it's so good to see that.
Thank you.
All right. Also, still going on here, the International Flower and Garden Festival. We got Goofy here with the 50th anniversary celebration cake there, and it looks yummy. And kind of relevant, better mention that a lot of things have come and gone here at Epcot the past year. Things have been rewound, pun intended. And I just passed underneath Spaceship Earth heading this way. This is my first time walking by the brand new Connections Cafe right here where the Starbucks is. It's pretty cool to check out. I'll probably pop in there in a little bit. First time, right there. And here's the new Club Cool. This will be my first time inside of Club Cool, the new one. Wow, it's been a long time since I've been here. Whoa. Hello, Old Faithful. Oh, I missed. A little to the left. Got it. Bottoms up, Beverly. It's good, it's good. Little park update since the last time I was here. They updated the misters here. They painted them. They used to be purple and gray. Now they're red and white. Oh, look at this lovely garden display over here. All kinds of exotic plants and exotic creatures. Look. Well, maybe not exotic, maybe extinct is the proper word. Oh, there's a little bunny in there. Oh my gosh. Hello, Wabbit. You're not very exotic or indigenous. You like that bamboo, huh? That's good stuff. It's the Epcot rabbit. Oh, it's called Rabbit Foot Fern. Rabbit Foot Fern. Is that intentional? Well, guys, I have some news. Do you want the good news or the bad news? All right, I'll give you the good news first. The good news is I am not leaving Walt Disney World today. I'm going to enjoy my time here at Epcot. The bad news, the closest I will get to the brand new Guardians of the Galaxy attraction, Cosmic Rewind, today is right here. No! Epic fail, epic fail. Okay, if I would have known it was cast member preview day, I would have for sure knew there was no chance of me getting on today. However, if I still would have known it was cast member preview today, I would have still came out here to Walt Disney World here to Epcot to have fun. Because like I said, even if things didn't go according to plan, if I did not get on the ride as I did not do just now, I'm still gonna have a good time. Still gonna have a great time. Hey, test track. Let's see what the wait is for test track. There's still much ahead, my friend. All right, 65-minute wait. I sure do miss fast passes. Whoa! Oh, Mickey Pretzel, Mickey Pretzel. Oh, Mickey Pretzel, Mickey Pretzel. Oh, Mickey Pretzel, Mickey Pretzel. To infinity and beyond. Also, Mission Space. Let me check the wait time on Mission Space. Okay, 5 minutes for Earth Green mission. That's a no-brainer. Astronauts to the moon. Wow! That's great! We landed on the moon! Has this thing got a tape deck?
Your flight path today is taking you across the United States. Okay, listen up, team. Change of plan.
Oh, wow. No! Oh, no. Spark your imagination! And now approaching Journey into Imagination. I had to bring this up, I had to show this, and I have to ride it because this is the first time I've been here since dating Chris the girl, who used to be a cast member here at Epcot and worked on the Journey into Imagination. If you didn't know, yes, Chris used to work at Walt Disney World as a cast member. She also worked on the Haunted Mansion and Primeval World at Animal Kingdom and Dinosaur. Just some fun facts there. Shout out to Chris. I miss you. I cannot wait to come to Epcot with you, Chris, and to Walt Disney World again. She's off on her own adventure today. She is creating a video out in New Jersey, and it will be coming out shortly, and it's something that I'm super excited to watch. I'm super proud of her. Monorail in motion. So good to see that. I remember a time here at Walt Disney World just a year ago when those things weren't rolling through here for almost 2 years. I remember coming here one day and having Test Track all to myself, walked on, had the entire car of Test Track during the situation. You know what, on second thought, I was gonna jump on Journey to Imagination, but then I thought, you know what, it would be special if Chris and I came back to the park for our first time together and we rode that together. So I'm documenting here. I'm not riding that attraction, Journey into Imagination, without Chris the girl. Oh look, Aladdin and Jasmine. All right, it's a little after 1. That means I cannot park hop at Walt Disney World until 2. I mean, it doesn't mean that, but I can't until 2. So I thought I'd grab some lunch right here through the McDonald's drive-thru. And for those of you that didn't know, I'm eating my McDonald's right here still on Walt Disney World property. There goes a minibus right there. It is 2 o'clock. I can officially park hop. All right. Hello, Disney's Hollywood Studios. I've missed you. Oh boy. And just so everyone knows, you are able to park hop beginning at 1:47, so not 2 o'clock. You can do it 13 minutes beforehand. Welcome to my absolutely favorite spot in all of Walt Disney World, right here before docking Bay 7, right here on this landing before the Millennium Falcon and Smuggler's Run. That's the ship that made the Kessel Run in less than 12 parsecs. I love this spot. I've spent many mornings and moments here sipping on coffee and sour Sarlacs, just watching everything go down. Oh, the breeze coming out of the single rider tunnel. It's a warm day, that feels so good. And because I'm a single rider, I will not get to choose my position in the cockpit of the Falcon. That's all right for me. And everyone went straight, and I took the bank left to the staircase to the left, and I'm gonna walk right on. Here we are, Chewy. We're home. Good to see they haven't changed much. Buttons, buttons, want to touch all the buttons. In case you're still wondering how I took so much of a shortcut, when you're going down that hallway in the beginning, look to the left. As soon as you find the corner, go up the steps. Everyone went straight. Okay, here we go. I am the gunner for this expedition, just tagging along with a random group of people. Here we are making our way through the Falcon into the tutorial before the cockpit.
You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order trading shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you play the part.
That's me. That's us.
Hi, come on in. Recruits are gonna get seated and buckled.
All right, here we go. All right, buckle it up.
Pull, pull, pull. Use the force, recruits.
All right, let's do this.
Engineers, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. Only one engineer. I'll do what I can to help out. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot.
Whoa, here we go. Woo!
Right and left.
Fastest Uncle Joe in the galaxy. I know, Chewie, I know. Oh! Oh, oh. I got it. Hit it. Whoa, circuits of time, dude. Oh.
Break evasive action.
Oh, ow! That was a hard hit.
Cargo free.
Ah, ah.
Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry.
I got it. Where?
Destroyer is collapsing.
I'm sorry, Falcon. I didn't mean to bust you up that much.
It's like seeing better days.
Wow.
Better fix all that.
Oh, sorry about that. I didn't mean to break it. It'll buff out.
All available text. We have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport.
I didn't do it. I didn't do it. No lie. One of the best rides ever. I love it. I mean, who doesn't want to drive the Millennium Falcon or fly inside of it? Pilot it, I should say. Or gun it. Always love the hallways down here too. This is so cool. All by myself. Whoa! Always love walking through these tunnels because they look like the tunnels on Hoth. Although those are snowy and white. It's still the same cutout. Pretty cool, isn't it? Oh no, someone needs to fix that. Falling in. Well, it wasn't exactly the galaxy or the spaceship I had in mind today, but you know what? As I said at the beginning of the video, my goal today was to have fun and enjoy myself here at Walt Disney World. That being said, the Guardians of the Galaxy ride, that will be opening up shortly. I wanted to rush and try to get it done as soon as possible because I have a lot of plans coming up the next month or so. And I don't really know when I'm gonna be back here. Today was like that day that I could come out to Walt Disney World, so I tried to ride the ride a little early. I wish I would have made my pass holder preview for Cosmic Rewind, but you know what? There's plenty of time. Bright suns, look at that. Things are starting to really shine here in Batuu.
We're looking for the weekly pilot, Nico Yaka. He needs to answer a few questions.
Oh, if I see him, I'll let you know.
We're looking for a band of resistance supporters. Do you have clearance for this sector? I almost believe you, but this one is acting suspicious. Let's see some ID.
Oh, look. Looks like we have some construction over here. A construction wall. Something new? Maybe coming here to Batuu? The standby time for Rise of the Resistance, 110 minutes. I think I'm gonna skip that today. Don't feel like waiting that long. Also, the summer's here. It is hot. so hot. There's water coming out of that skin. And by the looks of my shadow, it is technically midday. Whoa, sun is almost straight up. Look at all them balloons. Oh, watch out, the AT-AT's shooting at us. Oh no, no. Always a cool sight to see the AT-AT, or as some of you call it, an AT-AT, right here at Star Tours. And it's good to see good old Gertie open and slinging the ice cream. Dinosaur Gertie's Ice Cream of Extinction was almost extinct the last time I was here. This is the first time I've seen it open in a long time. Hello Gertie, good to see you, my girl. All right, I had fun. I had a great time. If you enjoyed this video, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up right down there and subscribe below if it was your first time. I am Tampa J, and now it's over. Gotta get my car and head back to Tampa. I'll see you next time, everyone. Know you're awesome, know you're loved, and know there's always much ahead. Bye-bye.